I'm sitting at a trailhead, just sitting here in the van. I've got Reflectix in the back and I plan to attempt some window covers. We'll see how that goes. So the materials I will be using today are Reflectix Insulation, black felt fabric, Gorilla spray glue, Gorilla tape, and contact paper. So my plan is to hold the Reflectix up against the window and just kind of trace it and cut it out that way, rather than making a template to put on top of the Reflectix, and then it just seems like a lot of work. So I think I'm just gonna cut a few steps out and see what happens. Hopefully it'll work. Hey guys, Rootless Wanderer here. I've crawled into the back of the van and what I'm planning to do today is, see that Reflectix right there? I plan to just kind of measure the windows and try to do the cutouts of the windows. The rest of it I'm going to do in my friend's garage where I'm staying. So I'm not going to have to worry about, you know, trying to use Gorilla Glue in the van, which is what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm talking about. I'm gonna take this Reflectix right here and I'm going to hold it up against the windows and try to get a template, I guess, but instead of using cardboard or paper or newspaper or whatever I've seen other people do, I'm just gonna use the Reflectix itself and I'm just gonna hope for the best. Okay guys, let's get started. All right, I may have to put the phone down until I'm finished. All right, so it's not very thick. I think I'm gonna do 2 layers just because, well, this is Canada and it gets freaking cold. So we'll see. I don't know if this is gonna do it. This is what I'm using. So I'm not really all that interested in the R value. I mean, I'm a backpacker, so, you know, I have winter gear already for camping and hiking in the mountains and in the winter. Seriously, have you ever gone camping in a Saskatchewan winter? It gets down to minus 50 Celsius. Like, of course I would never go camping just because in that kind of weather, just because that's just too freaking cold. All right, just move that out of the way. Okay, so I'm going to just hold up this Reflectix against the window and just to get, you know, a rough measurement. And then I will be able to press it in there and use the Sharpie to kind of outline where I want to cut, and then I'll just trim as I go.